Committee on Tribal Unity Cotu has temporarily suspended 48-hour economic blockade along National Highway 2, which was initially scheduled from midnight of October 7th to October 9th. The decision follows assurances from the Government of India communicated through District Administrator to take immediate steps to resolve abduction of Kamginlen Chongloi, who was abducted at Makhan on October 2nd, and to enhance security measures across the buffer zones. While Cotu has lifted the blockade temporarily in good faith, the committee warned that it reserves the right to reinstate the blockade without further notice if the authorities fail to fulfill their commitments within this stipulated time frame. Cotu thanked the general public and civil organizations for their continued support, resilience and solidarity during these challenging times.
The Committee on Tribal Unity has temporarily suspended the proposed 48 hours economic blockade imposed on the National Highway from the 7th October to the 9th October 2025 over the abduction of Mr. Kamginlen Chongloi at Makhan on the 2nd of October 2025 and the security preparedness at the buffer zones after the assurance from the Government of India through the District Administrator to resolve the issue immediately. However, in case of the failure of the concerned authority to resolve the matter, the committee is liable to reimpose the economic blockade on the National Highway 2 without any further information.